How to recover Threads account after crash. Hi everybody. In order to remove your Threads account after a crash or login failure, what you could do is, first of all, open up settings on your device, go to apps from the list, locate Threads from the list. You could tap the search bar, type in Threads. Then you want to go to storage and cache, make sure to clear cache. And while you're in the same section, you just want to make sure to check your internet as well. And if you've used any sort of VPN, you might want to disable that as well. Now, sometimes a simple restart can also help you fix. So you could try reinstalling, restarting at the same time, or reinstalling the app. That can also be able to fix. If the mobile app is broken, you could try login through a desktop version. So open up any browser that you have, type in threads.com. And you could find the first link that pops up, and this way as well you should be able to fix. Next, if nothing works out, you could go ahead and reset the forgotten credentials as well, and that can also be able to help you out. So these are some of the ways you could try to recover your Threads account after crash. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.